just hanging out right now, and I got some juice from the airport cafe, and we just got some breakfast potatoes as well. So we just made it to the hotel, and we're staying at the Edgewater Hotel in Seattle, and we're heading over to our room to check in. And we have a queen bed room. So over here we just have a cute little teddy bear, and then a desk area and a view of the city, and you can see the Space Needle right there. We also have a fireplace, a TV, and then over here we have closet, and we just put our luggage, and then this is the bathroom. So we're all checked in at the hotel, and they had our room available early. It's only 12:10, and usually the rooms are ready at 4. So this is the hotel we're going to be staying at for the night until we go board the cruise tomorrow. And so far it's really nice. But the cruise that we're going on is Royal Caribbean's Quantum of the Seas. And with that cruise we have 3 stops. So we're going to Sitka, Juneau, which is the capital of Alaska, and Victoria, British Columbia. And initially we were supposed to go to Skagway as well, but that stop got canceled. So they're just extending the times in the other ports. But this was the outfit I wore on the plane. It's this jumpsuit from Free People, and it has a zipper on the back, and then I have this tank top from Urban Outfitters and these earrings from Amazon. And now we're gonna go head to the lobby again to go pick up our donuts.
We can't do anything, but we're 100% behind you. So there's, I bet he was like, I'm just telling you what they said, and he can't tell me. He's like, Carolyn, tell you what I think. He's like, yeah, this is illegal. This is fucked up. No, my HR for my agency. And he's like,
This is really good. How is it? Is it good? We just finished going to the Pike Place Market, and we did a lot of the tourist attractions, like seeing the flying fish, the gum wall, and going to a lot of the cool restaurants. But now we completed off our trip to Pike's Place by getting some Pike Place chowder, and Sam got a scallop chowder and I got the vegan lime chowder. So we're excited to try this and head back to the hotel. And something really cool about Seattle is that there's a lot of mountains behind the water. Good morning, today is day 2, and we're going to be boarding the cruise today, but we're currently heading over to Bang Bang Cafe to go get some breakfast before the cruise, and they have breakfast burritos, which are normal and non-vegan, but it's a little bit of a hike to get there because all the hills in Seattle are really steep. But I'll show you what we got for breakfast and then take our lift over to the cruise terminal.
I'm gonna ask if it's a double.
So I got the orange creamsicle thing, and Sam got an espresso.
See on the back of your wheels, 2 right now on the flat. But I think going back.
Really good. It like tastes like kind of a dessert. I like soda at the same time. And I'll show you. Yeah.
This is just a
breakfast burrito. And then I got an orange scone. So we made it on the ship. We just boarded and then we did our mustard station and we went to the spa to sign up for the thermal suite again. So now, so we have the Space Needle over here and the view of Seattle. And now we're just waiting for our room to be ready. So once that's ready, I'll go and give you a room tour. For real. Room's ready. So we have a balcony room and we're staying in cabin 6538. So over here we have the bed. We have plenty of storage. It has 2 closets. So you can hang your clothes and put your shoes down there. And then we have the bathroom over here. We have a standard cruise shower. And this is what the bathroom looks like. And then by the door, we have a full-length mirror, a TV, another mirror. We just have the balcony. So we currently have a view of Seattle in the background, and 2 chairs and a little table, couch area. And the best part is that we got the Alaska blanket souvenir. So they put it in our stateroom, so it's all ready for us. So Sam's gonna open up. So it looks like this. And it's a fleece blanket, it's so cozy. And then I guess there's a little pillow came with too. So this is the stateroom we're gonna be in, and we'll continue to give you updates as we're on our cruise and show you what we do for formal night tomorrow. We're sailing away now. Welcome back. So it's day 2 of the cruise and we just got back from eating breakfast at the Windjammer, and it's currently 10:30 a.m. and I'm gonna get ready quickly because we have roller skating at 11. But so far the cruise has been going really smooth. The only thing that I'm hoping that we can get resolved today is our welcome photo. So when you take a cruise, usually when you're about to board the actual ship, they have like a little like photo station set up and you can get like a welcome photo cruise. I'll show you a photo of the ones we've done in the past. But when we went to the photo gallery to check out what the photo looked like, they just put a random white guy and a random black lady. So we're like, this is nuts. And now there's no photo showing for that, so hopefully they can fix it because it's like a tradition for us to get a welcome photo for each ship and have like a yearly cruise trip. But I think we're just gonna go roller skating and then we're gonna head to the solarium to go hot tubbing and then go to the thermal suite. And that's all we have planned today. We're kind of just gonna relax and like see where the day takes us. But tomorrow we're gonna be in Sitka for our first Alaska stop, and I'm excited because we have an excursion for Fortress of the Bears, so we're gonna get to see the bears live from like a viewing platform. I'll show you what makeup I usually do when I'm on a cruise. So I'm just gonna use these Pacifica Sunny Glow Drops and put this all over my face. And I usually do like really simple makeup. So I just use these 3 products for my face and they're really easy to travel with. And I just used some eyeshadows from my Tartelette and Bloom palette. And then the last thing I'm going to do is some mascara, and that will be the completed makeup look. But as you saw, they fixed our photo, so I'm really excited that they were able to find our welcome photo, and that will have our yearly vacation photo.
as we make these circles, yeah, like these counterclockwise, same direction. Everybody should go in the same direction, yeah? Big circles. I'll say this way. Yeah? Around, around, around.
This is the outfit I'm wearing for formal night. So my earrings are from Amazon. My dress is from For Love in Lemons. And it's just a mini dress. And this is Sam's outfit. After we had dinner at the main dining room for formal night, we headed over to the theater to watch a show. For the next vlog, I'll be heading over to Sitka, Alaska for our first stop, and I'll see you there. Bye!
Beautiful people, beautiful people, beautiful people, beautiful people, beautiful people. Don't you know, don't you know, don't you know? Beautiful, don't you know? Don't you know, don't you know? Beautiful, beautiful people, beautiful people, beautiful people, beautiful people, beautiful people.